G'day YouTube, how you going? So I've had a delivery, 8 batteries, and I've already started to open them to have a look. I've got one open. I've numbered each battery, and I'm just recording the voltages of the batteries as they've been delivered. And there they are. And they're the Giant Power 300 ampere. There's the main plate down there. I'll go through later to the website and show you which battery bank it is, how much I paid, and even though I'm from Western Australia, it was considerably cheaper to have them delivered to Victoria, and then I'm going to trailer them back. So like I said, I've numbered each one of these batteries, and I'm just going to open them up and record the voltage. Of each one, just to make sure that they're okay, survive the transport. Take these covers off. Perfect. And that one I've already done. It's 13 volts. So I'll go through and do the rest. Make sure that everything's in the boxes, and so far everything has been. There's the boots for the terminals. And I had the bolts sitting somewhere. They are there. There's the bolts. The battery bank also came with all these cables pre-made up. They're 35mm squared. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm not sure what happened there. Anyway, we'll see how that goes. And all I'll do now is drag them back to Western Australia.